GSD3360k55ss wont drain was clogged. Clean hose. Found solenoid stuck causing replaced it. Now not draining again.
Hi, my name is I have been in the repair field for over 20 years. I am sorry you are having issues. I will be glad to help you today. There are several reasons that the dishwasher will not drain. There could be a blockage in the filter or the hose. Some dishwasher drain hoses have a check valve in them that can be removed from the end of the hose. If you have recently installed or replaced a garbage disposal, then be sure that the cap was removed from the disposal barb where the dishwasher drain connects. Sometimes the entire cap has not been removed, so be sure there is not a partial cap still in there. If the drain hose is not configured properly, that can cause this too. The drain hose should come through the cabinet very high to prevent the sink from backing up in the dishwasher. Regular dish soap residue can cause blockages too. If you see suds in the water in the dishwasher, then that is pretty strong evidence that there is regular dish soap residue, which could be from pre-soaking dishes before adding them to the dishwasher, or from the low drain hose and the dishwater backing up into the dishwasher drain hose. The issue also could be related to a blockage in the drain pump or a failure of the drain pump. When there is water that has not drained out from the dishwasher, always start a cycle, then cancel it and allow the cancel to complete. Do not remove the filter unless there is no water in the dishwasher. If there is debris in the undrained water in the dishwasher, then removing the filter may allow the debris to get into the pump and damage the pump or restrict it. When you start a cycle, then cancel it and allow the cancel to complete, about 2 minutes. That should drain the water out and allow you to clean the filter out without allowing any debris to get past the filter. Otherwise, the issue may be a broken impeller on the drain pump or a failed drain pump that needs replacing.
This dishwasher has no drain pump. It only has motor. I took it apart, had debris, put it back. Originally there was a blockage in drain hose. Got it to drain the first time. Now it won't drain at all. I hear the motor, but nothing is coming out the drain hose. Even then a new cycle starts, it's not going into drain. I was advised it was the timer. I tried to turn dial to force drain and it tried, but then went into wash.
The motor is connected to a shaft, right?
When it goes into drain, the water seems like it's just circulating itself in and out the shaft, but not through to the drain. I took that apart, checked for debris, nothing was blocking anything.
The impeller is broken on the other end of the shaft.
What part would need to be changed? Even when the load starts, it is supposed to run a drain cycle, but it doesn't even do that, it goes straight to wash. Would it be both timer and impeller?
The drain motor does not come on at the start.
Okay, so I have the same dishwasher at home, and when I start a load at a hot start, it goes into drain first and then it adds water and starts to run the load. Even when I turn the dial on the one that's not draining, when it's supposed to go into drain, it starts for a second and then starts bringing in water.
It is the timer control then.
Okay, but if it is the impeller, then the entire motor would need to be changed.
If the motor is coming on when it should, then the impeller can be replaced on its own.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.